It's
What?
raining.
Yo, let's go.
Wait.
Wanna go to the mall?
Oh, I guess, yeah.
It hasn't rained in so long.
Dude, stay in the umbrella.
Oh yeah, it's raining.
Oh, heard that the rain's getting terrible this week. I want to make sure we stay safe.
Yeah. Okay, right here, we need the umbrella. Okay, we're safe right here. We're safe right here. Cause what? Oh, I'm kind of wet.
You go first.
Okay. Coming?
Don't worry, I'm coming.
Okay. Taking off your umbrella.
I'm just Dude, I swear I saw something for.
Wait, we're gonna go buy something at the Monkey Mall?
I closed my eyes for several seconds and
Let's go buy stuff
I
at
was
the
in
Monkey Mall.
this hayfield with. Oh, it's just raining out of nowhere. And I
Weird.
opened my eyes again. And
Let's go look at some
Oh,
cosmetics. That's really cute. Oh, cool.
I'm scarred now.
That beanie always
That's
looks
kinda-
so cool.
I don't really like the look.
Yeah.
They're selling hats. They're still selling.
So selling this? Jeez, it's been so long.
Hey, wait. Didn't this belong to someone? It was it
Yeah.
looked kind of bluish. You had
Yeah.
a stick on him.
I don't know.
Oh, my old scarf.
Yeah.
Can't believe still no one's bought it.
Yeah.
Hey, wait. They were selling minigame. I don't understand why they're called minigame hats.
They're just party hats.
Yeah, they should be called party hats, not minigame hats.
Yeah. Ooh. This looks like
Oh,
really
the actual
cool.
good clothes. I've been buying several copies of these.
Cool. Oh, man, I really like
Oh,
this.
you know what? You can.
That's why I bought it.
Get your stuff. I'm gonna be outside.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. Can I please buy the? Can I please buy this flag?
Whenever I went on it, I checked the percentage, and it was half. Mom, Dad.
Whatever. I'll buy it later.
Daddy.
What? I hate kids talking like. I hate those annoying kids.
Why is that kid yelling?
I don't know. Come on.
Wait, one second.
Wait, no way! They're actually selling the food again.
Oh, finally.
Oh, I want
Wait,
this.
Wait, one second.
Hello?
Well, I went into that hayfield again.
Weird.
That's unnormal.
I remember this goofy coconut hat. The goofy
Why'd
hat.
they sell these anyway? Why'd they sell already open fruit?
I don't know. The banana looks good though.
They need to fix that.
Yeah, they really do.
Hey, look, it's not.
Ugh.
I'm going to my work. Yellow.
Oh,
Booger.
I almost fell and almost broke my leg again.
Hey,
Almost broke my arm again.
Oh, Mr. Moon?
Just call me Moon.
Yeah,
Yellow.
Moon.
Yeah?
Oh, purple.
Hey, Moon.
Yeah?
I don't
You wanna
think there's
go?
anything interesting to do. I think we should just.
Yeah.
Some people are coming. Okay, get ready.
I'm gonna buy a banana real quick. Hey, can I have one banana, please?
Sure.
Thank you.
And the bananas are for free.
Thank Thank you so much, man.
Welcome. Bananas are always for free.
I got a free
Everybody's
banana.
Let's go.
So it got to be free.
Let's go back. Bro? I'm not feeling so good.
Wait. Stay awake.
Hey, there's some poison in your body. We're gonna have to go through surgery.
Wait, what?
He has poison in his body. We're gonna have to do some surgery.
Last thing I remember is eating the banana from up there.
Well, the police will probably check it out.
Yeah.
Okay, hold up. You. I'm gonna need you to stay with him. I'm gonna go grab something real quick.
Sorry.
Oh, that was
Stay. Oh.
Are you gonna be okay?
I don't think so. I feel lightheaded.
okay. Okay. Okay, so you ready? Hold up. I gotta grab something. One more thing, I forgot. Man, I keep on forgetting the sleepy syringe. Man,
The
I
what?
always forget that.
I hate syringes. Whatever.
Do this again. Don't worry, it's gonna be a piece of cake.
It's on your back.
Wrong finger. Wait. Oh. Don't worry, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. Just give me your arm. Okay. Where's your friend at? Okay, we're done.
Ah! Ouch.
Hey, it's okay. Stay. Alright then, you should go sleepy. Get in there. Oh. After a while. It wasn't that hard. Alright.
Yeah. Is it done?
Okay. Now I'm gonna go. Nope. Take all the poison out. Hopefully he doesn't wake up. And then I'm gonna need. And then you should be fine. Hey.
Yeah.
You're fine.
Oh, hey, you're the new patient. Is he okay?
Yeah.
He just has some He just has some poison. Oh, I thought my dad was calling me. He just has some poison. He said that he was all he ate a banana and then but the police are gonna check it out.
Go
Hey, wait,
back.
sir.
Oh,
The moon
yes.
guy. Do you know a guy named Monkey?
Yeah.
He ran out of here.
Oh, he's my friend.
I thought he was like dying or something.
I'm gonna go meet up with him at the house.
Okay. Oh, I thought you were gonna
I need
die.
to evacuate this people.
Hey, is that a cock?
Ugh.
Hello. You guys do not go in the cities.
Why? What? I wonder if it's been a
Those
couple
are-
weeks now.
Oh, hi. Don't go up there. Shooting's happening.
Oh
You guys
gosh.
are fine.
Ugh. Ugh. Okay. Oh, monkey.
I saw that shooting up there.
Ugh.
The shooting might be just...
I wasn't feeling a lot better. Monkey. Whoa, where are you? Where are you going? Get back here. Monkey, get back here. Where are you going?
Man, I can't wait to get some bananas. I've been waiting for those things.
Monkey.
Who are you?
I'm Moon.
Moon? Dude, it's been like 25 years.
What?